Hi, I'm Stephanie Stebbing from Quilt Addicts Anonymous, and today I've got to photograph some mug rugs that we made new kits for. So I'm going to show you my process so you can also take really pretty photos at home. So first up is to pick some coordinating goodies. I've got these little mugs from Target, and they're going to work perfect with Valentine's. And then I picked up some chai tea lattes because they really tend to hold their foam and look great in photography. All right, so I just need a solid color surface. This is the table that is in my kids' playroom. Obviously the rest of the room is a mess, but when I come over here to get my photo, I'm able to get in and have it look fabulous. And the light is super good because we have a nice cloudy, snowy day. And there's lots of light in this room because it's supposed to be a sunroom. So often I'll also rearrange things so that I can get it to fit more of a square format, which is what our product photos are. Also, I have these Hershey Kisses that are in Valentine's colors that we're going to be using for a baking project. But overall, I think this is looking pretty cute. Got some good photos, and I'm going to switch over to the pink colorway. And my dogs are also on the loose here. You can see my Basset Hound's booty there. All right, so I'm not loving the cream with the white, but I think it'll be fine. And also, my Cocker Spaniel totally swiped one of these candies, but don't worry, all is well. I got it before he ate it. This is Remy, my Hershey Kiss swiper. I thought he listened too well when I told him to go away and leave it. And but don't worry, I grabbed it before he ate it, so all is well. All right, so I brought everything into Photoshop, so I thought I'd show you how the finals turned out. Here's our red. Here's our red horizontal, which we'll use for our YouTube thumbnail. Pink squares turned out great, and another option for our red horizontal. And just one final reminder that this is the beauty shot you see. This is the disaster of a room that it was taken in. So if any of you guys are makers out here, you're trying to sell kits from your products or sell patterns from your projects, I hope that this was helpful, because when you're selling it, you really have to present it, because what they're seeing is your customer or your potential customer is what ultimately is going to make them want to make that project or not. And when they're making the judgment from a photo, it's got to be a pretty damn good photo. So you don't have to have a lot of special equipment. I did all this on my iPhone. So you can really create some cool, fun things and make a lot of money for your business once you learn just a few simple tricks on how to style your photos. Now I'm going to drink my chai tea.